Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a vehicle from your Geico auto insurance policy by phone in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you can do is to call Geico's customer service at the number that's right there on the screen. So go ahead and call their phone number, and you're gonna need to provide your policy information, including of course your policy number to the representative. And once you provided that, just request to have a request to remove a vehicle from your policy, and provide the vehicle's information, including of course the make, model, and the VIN. The next thing you're going to do is to confirm that you want to remove the vehicle from your policy to the customer service representative, and once that's confirmed, they're going to process that and take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove a vehicle from your Geico auto insurance policy by phone in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.